You are my safe space, my friend. Safe space, I sign. Safe space, I am understood. Safe space, I am accepted. Safe space, I am not judged. Deaf safe space is Auslan. Deaf safe space is to be heard. Deaf safe space welcomes me. Deaf safe space is my home. You welcome to my deaf space. Auslan giveth you access to our space. Our home is all but silent, with hands. You're watching the hands. You pick up the Auslan language. Pretty soon, you are one of us. You hear, but you are with us. We hear bugger all. You hear deaf voices, but you engage the hands. We love you. Our safe space out in the open world. You. We hope you feel safe in our space.